1.9 million Minnesotans, or about 1 in 3, have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Olmsted County is even ahead of the state average. But as our Alex Tejada explains, not everyone is vaccinated yet, and the pandemic is not quite over. Alex.
Caitlin, more than 46% of Olmsted County residents have at least their first dose of vaccine, almost 60% of those eligible. But there are some still concerns as local health officials warn that the pandemic is far from over yet.
We're in a little bit of a gray zone here now because we're partially vaccinated as a community. And
almost 90% of seniors have at least one vaccine dose. But one Mayo Clinic doctor says recent polls show fewer people are socially isolating.
There's also been a little decline in reluctance to get vaccinated, which is good, but still about a quarter of Americans say that they don't want to be vaccinated. And that's concerning. We're in a race between vaccination and mutation.
Variants have been identified in Minnesota. While none have yet been detected in Olmsted County, they may already be out there.
I think it's just a matter of time before we do identify that it's currently circulating here to some degree.
It means Minnesota's rising case numbers are still a concern, despite everyone older than the age of 16 now eligible for the vaccine.
So it's very possible and potentially even likely here that Minnesota is or could see another surge in transmission coming before we're able to offer vaccine to everyone.
And while health leaders hope to get the vaccine out to everyone, some minority communities are hesitant to roll up their sleeves or are not able to access the vaccine.
And we know that there's a lot of misinformation, lack of information in the community. There's lack of access to healthcare. Even when they're in healthcare settings, the quality of care is not as good as they could receive.
Inequalities that are as relevant as ever and maybe more apparent.
In the COVID era, I think we've exposed even more of the impact of disparities, the disparate effect of health-related issues in communities of color.
The state of Minnesota has worked to implement strategies aimed at better reaching minority communities. As for another group that is yet to be vaccinated at all, children, and they may soon be able to be vaccinated. Pfizer is hoping to get emergency youth authorization from the FDA in the next few weeks to offer the vaccine to anyone 12 and older. Back to you.
Thank you, Alex. And